Wednesday, June 7th, 2017, Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. First of all, I'd like to talk about Billy. One of the viewers asked if Billy is collecting Dogecoin or Dogecoin, which is a cryptocurrency with a Shiba Inu as its, like brand. Billy's not interested in cryptocurrencies. He's always been a silver bug. You can see his silver collection there. He's got 3 1-ounce coins. I think they're maple leaves. And he's got also a sterling silver money clip with a dollar sign on it. So yeah, sorry, Billy's a silver bug. But the reason why I'm making this video here, it's 1:30 p.m. London. And for some reason, I've been around for a while in the markets, and it feels a little bit like Bear Stearns being taken over by JP Morgan. And why do I say that? Well, Spain's sixth largest bank, Banco Popular, was taken over by Banco Santander for €1. Just €1. I think actually Bear Stearns, JP Morgan had to pay a bit more for Bear Stearns, a lot, so this is even worse. And at the time when Bear Stearns was bought out with the help of the Fed, and the Fed, New York Fed, still has some of the toxic assets that Bear Stearns had, and they've kept it in the drawer at Liberty Street in New York under the name of Maiden Lane LLC. So it's something that's been put in the drawer, and it, JP Morgan hasn't had to worry about it. Bear Stearns is gone. But yeah, so Banco Santander basically bought out, Banco Popular today. I'm reading here on the story, and it looks like they're going to have to raise 7 billion euros in rights issues as well, Banco Santander. It just feels, it could be the start at something. And the problem with Banco Popular was that they still had loads of non-performing assets, which means they had, all the bad real estate loans from the the housing bust back in 08, from 08 to 2010 in Spain. They've come to light, and we've had almost 10 years of very easy monetary policy, QE. We've had the ECB buying all kinds of assets, corporate bonds. I can bet you the ECB probably bought some of Banco Popular's bonds. But this is the first example, though, of a bail-in, and the taxpayer is not involved. But I'm reading here in the Spanish paper, elpaís.com, and it says that more than 300,000 shareholders have lost 100% of their investments. So all the people that had, some kind of securities, bonds or investments with Banco Popular, they've lost all their money, which is about 3 billion euros. So this has been an example of a bail-in. But I have to say, it feels very much like Bear Stearns. At the time, people didn't really, they said, oh, it's fine, it's a great purchase for JP Morgan. And then we know what happened in September 08. It was the turn of Lehman Brothers. I wonder if this is going to spread. You're reading the article here from Zero Hedge. A lot of the analysts, like from Bloomberg Intelligence, Mizuho, and other brokers, they're basically saying, oh, this is like isolated, everything's fine. So very interesting. One thing I've noticed, though, because of this, is that the euros dropped quite a bit today. And that's even before the ECB meeting tomorrow, which is going to be quite important. The euro is now down almost 0.5% at 112.28. It got down to 112.03. And I think that's why gold and silver have come off a bit. Gold traded down to 1287.80. Now we're back up to 1291. Silver 1765, got down to 1755. So related to the euro move, I think, mostly. So yeah, keep an eye on the European mid-tier banking sector. Will it spread? I don't know. It just seems a bit too much like, oh, let's forget about Banco Popular now, move on, there's nothing here to see. What about all the other non-performing assets in all the other Spanish banks or Italian banks or even, other banks around it in the Eurozone and even, elsewhere? So yeah, this was just a quick update. Billy is going to sleep. He feels safe with his silver. He can see it and and touch it. He says Dogecoin is a little bit too technical for him. Not that he doesn't think it's a good idea, cryptocurrencies. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide. If you'd like to get regular updates when I make new videos, subscribe to my channels on YouTube so you can, get noticed. And also, if you want to watch me on steemit.com, I'm there as well. I post all my videos there. Take care. Bye.